What you are seeing now is a 40-ton bench type flip and turn welding positioner. It has flipping function and turning function. The turning function and the speedless verified frequency adjustment. So you can see it's pretty large. Many bigger gears with a planetary reducer. Very soon, maybe within 1 week, we are going to deliver. This has 2 gear fans. Yeah, you are seeing what we are production now. Mostly weld beam positioner, welding rotators, and welding column and boom. So within 1 week, I'm going to test this machine and show you the video. So wait for it. I'll be back.